Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So on today's video I'm going to show you how you can make the camera follow your movement in a video on CapCut. So here I'm going to show you how to use the camera tracking on CapCut. So what you guys need to do is just import a video with a still camera like this and just click on it, and in here at the bottom find the camera tracking option. Click on that and then select the subject to track. So there are three options. You can track the face, body part, and also hand. So in here I'm going to just select face, and after that just click on start and wait for CapCut to apply the camera tracking effects to your video. Okay, so now it's done. Just click on the check icon, then just zoom in your video a bit like this, and here is the final result. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like this video, comment, and also click on the thanks button below. I'll catch you all on the next tutorial. Bye.